Hello everyone, kryodawg here. Today doing an unboxing of the, I believe it's pronounced Akai or Akai, Ikea, I don't know. It's a weird name. This is the Akai Midi laptop production keyboard. So it's a MIDI interface. If you've watched some of the other videos, I have just recently purchased quite a number of music gear items, and so I'm getting started into this home recording stuff. So hopefully I'll pick it up quickly and can produce some decent music. So this is a 25 key keyboard. Has, I believe it's 8 touch sensitive pads. I'm assuming that's for assigning different sounds or drum beats. It actually has 2 banks of those, so you have 16 slots available. Has different has knobs here for manipulating the different sounds that you assign. There's several keys over here which I'm not very sure what those do just yet, so I'm kind of new to this, so I'll get to that hopefully and figure it out. So let's open this baby up and see what we've got here. Alright, so we've got a USB cord. And let's see if I can figure out how to get this thing out of here. Let's try just tipping it over. Bring it out. There we go. Okay, well, we've got the keyboard, and it's very light. Wow, that is pretty cool. It's like super light. So, oh, okay. There's the USB connection on the side. So you can see the different touch sensitive pads. Those, I guess they don't take much effort to, because they feel kind of hard. I don't know how that works. I guess it's very touch sensitive. Then you've got your buttons here for bank 1 and bank 2 for these pads. So you can assign these pads different sounds, I'm assuming. And then we have sustain, and you can program octave 1 or octave up or down. I guess that's if you want to change the pitch of these keys. And a pregiator. Not sure what that does just yet, but we'll see. And then we have 8 knobs that I'm guessing is or for these pads here to manipulate the sound. But the keys feel really good. I mean, they're not too stiff. They're very responsive. They kind of bounce back really good. So hopefully I can get this hooked up and running soon, and see how that works. Okay, let's see. This is also in the box. I guess this is the instruction manual and the software for the device itself. I'm hoping this works well with a Mac. I'm assuming it does, because people are using Macs nowadays for just about all kinds of music recording stuff, so I'm assuming it's gonna sync up pretty well. But we'll see. So this, I believe, was $99 off of Sweetwater.com, and I'll do some more updates on this product as I use it to see how well it works. And hopefully provide some entertainment for you guys, and make some good music. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, and have a nice day.